What is going on? What's going on, everybody? It's your host, Holly Mays, man. Let me clear my throat. What's going on, everybody? It's Dr. Holly Mays, man, on this edition of the Options Podcast, Options Nerd Podcast, man. Listen, we got a lot of stuff we need to talk about, man. I am all over a couple of stocks, man. But listen, before we do anything, man, y'all do me a favor, man. Y'all know we just need you guys to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, man. Listen, y'all know, man, uh the little algorithms, they need y'all to kind of click that little like button and subscribe button, guys, because they say that means that we're not watching ourselves, and we're actually doing something that people really want to watch. Okay, so y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Please make sure you follow us on Instagram and also on Facebook. Also, guys, guess what? We are not financial advisors. I'm not saying it to be a prick. All I'm saying is, guys, listen, you need to do your own due diligence. You need to do your own research and make sure that you're putting in the work as well, guys, because guess what? We have good days, we got bad days. And I don't want you writing me letters and showing up at my house because, we made a play and all of a sudden the stock market decided to flip flop. And now next thing you know, it go bad for you. So please do your own due diligence, do your own research. I'm just being 100 with you, okay? The market can take a turn regardless of how much data or information somebody put out, okay? Make sure you guys are checking out appointedapparelclothing.com, man. That's where you see the Appointed Anointed and Elected shirts, along with this fly blue and turquoise hat as well. So please make sure you guys go check out appointedapparelclothing.com. All right, guys, let's get into it. Also, guys, people been asking me about this, man. The $50 a day challenge. Now, y'all know we do it from Monday to Friday. Okay, so I need you guys to get ready. Take a deep breath. Tonight, I'm going to do a good brief over the $50 a day challenge. How did we do during the week? What were some good things? What were some bad things? What were some things we're going to change for next week? And we're going to gear up again. And on Sunday, guys, if you're a part of the $50 a day challenge, man, I'm going to give you my plays for the week. All right, cool. All righty, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into this madness, man, and let's talk about it a little bit. All right, what do I have? Oh, boom, boom. Let me go. All right, cool. So let's take a look at some companies that I'm looking at, man. Now we had some earnings, guys, last night, over the overnight. Okay, over the last night. Overnight, one of those was American Express, man. And if you guys have not looked at American Express did phenomenal in their earnings and their sales results. That's why you're seeing that big pop today. So I'm going to keep my eye on American Express today because it's actually a great credit card. I mean, it has history. I'm gonna tell you what it reminds me of. Real talk. It reminds me of something like Ford or Walmart or what's another one? Long term stock. Stanley Morgan, okay, Chase. It reminds me of that type. Bank of America. It reminds me of that type of uh, company, and they've done really well over the Q2. So listen, guys, I'm taking a look at that. So please keep your eye on that. HCA, that's a healthcare stock there, just like American Express. They did phenomenal over their earnings. And guys, don't take for granted on earnings. I mean, that's telling investors a lot. So guys, if you see them coming in on the pre-market and the earnings are, they went crazy, and you see them up $5 to $6, guys, pay attention to that. Okay, pay attention to that. Don't just take that for granted and be like, oh, they're not, it's not going to stay there. No, okay, they may dip, but they may go right back up. Okay, because this is a great opportunity because it's telling shareholders, hey, this company is growing, it's building, and when a company is growing, when a company is making money, that makes shareholders want to invest in it. Okay, and it makes the company more profitable. So please, guys, do not take those for granted. Y'all know I still got my old faithful Tesla. Tesla is just on a tear. Tesla right now, I think it was at 829. Let me see what Tesla is. Hold on, because I really want to talk about SPY. Okay, so right now Tesla's at 828. I see Tesla going up to 850 today. I'll probably get a small Tesla call for next week, but I see Tesla going up to 850 really quickly today. It's already up. It's amazing, but expect a little pullback. We got a couple of resistance at 827.50. We got a resistance at 825. We have a resistance at 820, maybe 25, something like that. So pay attention to Tesla. Watch for the resistance. I do see it going up another $10, $15. So just pay attention to that, okay? And also IBM, guys. I know, hey, listen, I was in IBM puts all through the week, but guys, I got out of my puts yesterday, and I think that IBM is just doing a phenomenal job. Um, I'm I'm looking at this, and I don't really see a lot of news on IBM other than the fact that it went all the way down to 125 and it's just now recovering. But I'm still doing some research on that to try to figure out why is it up at 127.10 and will it stay at 127.10. But it went all the way down, and because I was in a 126 put, and it went all the way down to 125.13, and then now it's back up. So guys, I'm really looking at that, trying to see what's going on with this, and see what is it going to stay here or is it going to go back down? Okay, but I am going to tell you, look at this as a put opportunity. That's just really what I'm looking at. I'm looking at it to go back down to 126, and I may get a 127 put. All right, guys. SPY is really what we're looking at today, guys. Right now, SPY came in yesterday at 398.79. It didn't do a whole lot this morning. It's at 398.40. It's actually on the uptrend. I do look at SPY to dip a little bit, but let me tell you some key points on a bullish scale. SPY, I think on a bullish scale is 401 and over. I'm gonna wait till SPY get to about 399, 400. I think it can get to 401 today. If it can get to 401 today, I think it can test 403, 405. Okay, but if it cannot get to 401 and it's still around this 398, I think if it goes lower than 398, the actual number just 398, I think you're going to be looking at a put day. Okay, so please pay attention to SPY, those some key levels. Hey, I hope that helps. Okay, right now it's at 398.54 in the pre-market. Hey, do your due diligence. Okay, the next one we're talking about is AMD, guys. We're talking about AMD. As always, we'll go to the charts, but y'all see the numbers on AMD. Right now, there's some key levels at AMD I really want to focus on. At a high this morning at around 7:15 was 90.62. It's at 90. It's at 90.23 right now. And remind you, it closed the day yesterday at 91.09. So some key levels is about 90.30. Then I'm sorry, 90, maybe 25, and then you got 90, maybe 30. Those are some key levels to get to and to get past. Also, a resistance is probably around 90.10 or 90.05. Okay, 0.05. So those are just some key resistance that you may see. But I'm looking at it to go up to 91.15, 91.15 with a brief pullback of 91.10, and then it'll go further if I'm looking at it from a bullish perspective. But again, if I'm not, I'm waiting on this thing to get all the way down to 90, around 89, and then I'll probably put a put in on this. The next one, guys, is CRM, Salesforce, guys. Please take a look at this, guys. I like Salesforce. I've always liked Salesforce. I think it's a major player long term. However, I just think that Salesforce is just a good company. It was recently named a leader in the 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for multi-channel marketing hubs for the 5th consecutive year. Okay, guys, I need to let you know these are certain awards. Have you ever seen a Ford truck or a Chevy truck and they say, "Hey, I've been rated such and such #1 fuel economy truck for the past 4 years in a row by blah 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 organization"? Okay, well, this is the same thing with Salesforce. It's been named this particular given this particular award for 5 straight years, which means 1 is consistent, number 2 it's growing, and number 3 people know about it, and that's what makes companies profitable. That's what makes companies grow. All right, so please pay attention to Salesforce, guys. Right now, let me get back to my charts. It's coming in at about 184.70, maybe 180.85. Extremely volatile to the upside. So please take a look at this at the opening bell. I believe it's going to get to 185.70. I don't think it's going to get to 182.70 before 10 o'clock. So we're looking at putting in a call maybe when I see this thing get to about 185.27, 185.30. Okay, once it get to about 185.30, I'm gonna see how far it goes, and we'll see. It doesn't have a lot of volume right now. It's only at about 7,505 in volume, but again, it could still be riding a wave off the hype of some of the news. So Again, take a look at this, do your due diligence, and then hey, we'll be posted in the Facebook the Facebook page. Starbucks, guys. Starbucks. I put SUNX. Ha 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 ha. Didn't even know what company that is. Starbucks, guys. Starbucks has been on a tear for the last 2 or 3 days, guys. I literally ignored Starbucks yesterday because of the hype that Tesla got. However, it will get a little bit of my attention today. I like Starbucks. It had a great return, a better than 5-year return. It's doing phenomenal over the span of time. So I'm really looking at Starbucks to kind of take a good pop. I'm looking at it to get to about 83.75. It's at 83.63 coming to pre-market right now. I am going to pay attention to it. So guys, just do your due diligence with this. And Amazon, guys, I don't care what nobody say. Amazon is a surprise of the century. It just is. Now, we knew Amazon was going to do this eventually. Okay, I'm listening. I heard the little truck people. I don't know if the trash is leaving out this morning. Man, that's early for it. But anyway, guys, Amazon, y'all like, man, bro, you just diverted? Yeah, man, because y'all know I do everything in my garage. So I'm like, hey, I can hear the trash man when he come by. So, I'm wondering, like, did I put the trash in? I'm like, oh, they didn't even take it out from last week, guys. Hey, Cedar Hill, I'm just telling you. But listen, Starbucks, guys, I think Starbucks is going to do absolutely great today. I am going to wait for it to get up to about 124.80. Maybe 124.95 at the most, and let it get a brief pullback. But I do see Starbucks popping early this morning. It did get up to 124.75. That is a barrier that I'm looking at, that 124.75. So please, guys, do your due diligence. I think Starbucks is going to do absolutely wonderful today. I think it's a great stock opportunity. I'm definitely going to put it in my $50 a day challenge for Friday because it's not a very expensive stock, and I think it'll really help some people make up some ground from some slow days from earlier. Guys, let's look at the focus of the day, guys. The focus of the day, guys, listen, we got the Fed speaking next week, guys. See if we're going to get raised 75 more basis points. So don't take that for granted. It's probably going to be on a Tuesday or Wednesday, okay? I'm not sure of the exact day, but I promise you I will let you know. If not in the post-market talk, I'll let you know probably next week when we start on morning. Running the love power, y'all. All right. Also, that makes a difference, guys, because normally when the Fed speaks, one or two things happen. The market either goes down or it goes up. And recently, it's been going every time he talks. So, guys, pay attention to that. So, if you're in your calls, man, and they're looking real bullish, don't think that's going to last going into the next week because of the expectancy of the points. You know what? To be honest with you, people might be cool with it because they already know it's coming. So, hey, we'll talk about that next week. The next thing, as always, guys, wait till 9 o'clock. Wait, see what the market gives you, okay? I get it. You're going to get some pops. I think the futures, let me look at the futures. Are the futures coming in hot today? Let me see if the futures coming in hot today. I think the futures coming in hot today. Yeah, I think they're coming in hot. Let me see. The Dow, the Dow the S&P and the NASDAQ are down. The Dow is up 96 points. So, it's coming in red, but that it always kind of means that, hey, you may see a green day today. Okay. So wait, guys, see what the market gives you and just move according to that. Okay. Don't do anything drastic. Okay. It's Friday, guys, and normally on a Friday, sometime during the day, we're going to get a sell-off because no one likes holding stocks over the weekend, guys. So please do your due diligence. You can wait for something to come all the way up and then wait for it to drop down. That's probably what I'm going to do on a Tesla. That's probably what I'm going to do maybe on a SPY. So please just kind of wait till you see that number, see where it's going to go, and then, guys, make your move when the opportunity comes. But, guys, be patient. Wait till about 9 o'clock, 8:45 at the least, and see what the market is going to show you and see what it's going to give you. Whatever the fact is, guys, make sure you take your profits, guys. Please take your profits. Y'all know I'm the first one to be like, let's go get it. In the words of William Mathis, that's Albert Pujols. Okay, but hey, this is Friday, so we don't know how the market's going to go. So take your profits. Okay, again, I'm gonna say it again. Number 5, take your profits. It's that important today. Okay, don't try to hold nothing over the weekend. Don't, because you don't know the effects of this Fed talk next week. So please do not try to hold it over next weekend. Hey, liquidate it, get rid of stuff. That's what we're doing. Okay. Again, this is not financial advisement. You do your own due diligence and research. But what we're doing is we're not holding any option plays over the weekends. Okay. So, guys, listen, that's my time, guys. I love you with the love of the Lord. Remember to uplift Christ wherever you go. And do me a favor, make the rest of your day the best of your day. And hey, do me a favor, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe. I didn't even cut the music on this morning. Golly, guys. But y'all, nobody said nothing. God. Listen, subscribe to the Option Nerds podcast on our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, man. We want to hear your comments. We also want to know, follow us on Facebook, please, man. Let us know some plays. Let me know if you won for you. Let me know if it worked for you or not, okay? That way we can talk about it. I want to show you guys some love tonight when we do our post-market. All right, guys. But listen, again, that's my time, man. Check out Appointed Apparel Clothing if you don't mind at appointedapparelclothing.com. And please make sure you follow us, man, so you can start a $50 a day challenge starting on Monday. But guys, again, that is my time. Again, I can't say it enough. I love you with the love of the Lord. Remember to uplift Christ wherever you go. And do me a favor, make the rest of your day the best of your day. I'm out here, guys. Peace.